Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I make this rock buns recipe so you don't miss out. Here I added vegetable oil. I added two type of milk, pig milk and skimmed milk, and I added 1 egg, salt, 3 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of yeast, and I added 700 grams of flour. So now I'm going to combine properly. For those of you always returning to watch my videos, like my videos, comment on my videos, share my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for always returning to watch my videos and comment. May the good Lord bless you. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification and be a member of the family so that anytime we upload you will be notified. So it is well mixed. I'll cover and allow it to rest for 20 minutes. So here is after 20 minutes. I will mix it again and I will work it on my surface. So now I'm going to cut them into balls. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Help me to share this recipe, guys. So I will just be molding them just like you are seeing here until I am done with the molding. This recipe, guys, it really came out nice. So you can make buns with yeast, you can make buns with baking powder. You can also make buns without baking powder or without yeast. I have them in my videos, short videos. Feel free to also check them out and you will see for yourself. So now I'll cover it and allow it to rest for 30 minutes. So here is after 30 minutes. I added oil and now I'll be adding the buns. I will be flipping them over. Make sure you are doing this on a very low to medium heat so that inside will not be cooked while the outside is cooked. You can see I poked it to see if it is cooked. It was properly cooked. Look at that. So colorful. So I will fry the remaining one too. I hope you try this recipe, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the recipe. Bye.